You've released and massaged your middle back, and now you're ready to strengthen it using the Stand Up Straight. You place an arm in each loop. Place the pad on the chest. Women will put it above their breasts. You're going to bend your elbows, squeeze your shoulder blades back and down until you feel the contraction in between your shoulder blades, and hold for a count of 5. Relax. Do it again. And try not to raise your shoulders up while you do this. Look in a mirror the first couple of times you do it. Relax. And squeeze it one more time. Relax. And that's how you use the Stand Up Straight, to strengthen the muscles in between your shoulder blades.